Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ankita Malik Arora. So this has to be my makeup vlog. So let's start with our makeup. So what I do is I take a clean wet wipe. I clean all the areas, especially if you're a person who uses kajal every day. You got to clean this area. One more important thing, you should not have any facial hair. If you want a flawless makeup, we're gonna move ahead with our moisturizer primer. I use Maybelline Fit Me's Dewy and Smooth Primer. Here it is. I mix with my Embryoless cream. If you have moisturized your skin, your lips need moisturizing too. So before moving ahead, let's put my hair bangs at the back so it does not have makeup on it. So let's move ahead with our first step, that is concealer. We are gonna correct our under eyes. And we are gonna blend it now. So every acne scar is of my skin color now. So I need to worry less with my foundation on those scars. This area is my pigmentation area. So this is where I use my color corrector as well. And above my eyes as well. And here we are. So after that what I do is I use my creamy color corrector under this area where we see eye bag here. I love creamy products and I love using it in winters because they look flawless. They make your skin look very glowy. In summers, our skin is oily, so I can't use them. So this is the time that I love using them to make my skin look glowy. Now we are gonna move ahead with our foundation. The foundation that I'm using right now is MAC's foundation. Now let's blend it. So I love MAC's foundations because they are very blendable. It's not harsh or does not need more work like Huda Beauty foundations. So MAC foundations are easy to work with. So always remember, the more you blend, the more flawless your makeup will look. Now we have blended our foundation very well. So now moving on to the next step, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 15 Fair. It's done. Okay, so we have waited enough. Now let's start blending our concealer. So now the next is contouring. So this is Maybelline Fit Me's Concealer Plus Contour Stick. We are gonna start contouring. Can you see it? So this is the new contouring technique that is getting viral right now. So what it does to your face is, it just lifts your face up. And also, those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel can do it. I do such makeup shots as well. I've been doing it since long. So if you want any update or anything that you need to know about makeup, you can follow me on my shots as well. And do not forget to click that bell button for notifications. So we have done our cream contouring. Now we are gonna move ahead with our blush. I do not plan my makeup. I just move ahead with the thing that I want to do with my face. So we're going to use Milani's blush, Dolce Pink Baked Powder Blush from Milani. It's my favorite. I use it so often. So now we take our banana powder and put it in the areas that I have used my concealer to set my concealer. let's move on with the next step. Let's first do our eyebrows. So I got this Maybelline New York Define and Blend Pro Pencil. When end is done, then move ahead. Then move ahead here. Then move ahead. And here you need to move the stroke in the upward direction. Same process is here. I start filling my ends and then I keep moving. So now using spoolie, I am combing it and making color even. I'm gonna use a very lighter shade of brown, this one for my eyelids. I'm gonna use this red. I'm gonna pop some spray on it. Okay, so I'm sprayed on this. I'm gonna take the brush. I'm gonna lift the color on my brush. I'm gonna place it here. So I've sprayed again on this yellow. I'm gonna take yellow. And then what I'll do is I'll take a brush. This is the glitter shade that I've taken. Placed it on the yellow thing. The under eye also, where I have yellow, I've put the same glitter on that part only. Use the glitter here also. Blend it all together. And here I'm gonna blend the under eye as well. This is how it's looking. We're gonna use the famous Benefits bronzer contouring. Before moving on with my lips, I clean my lips first because it has foundation and everything. So shade works very well once your lips are clean. Same Ixu's lip balm. Okay, so we are gonna keep our lips nude because we have our heavy eyes. Lip liner from Curly Cosmetics. I'm gonna line my lips. And you know, lip liners work so magically once you have your lip balm or something on your lips. Okay, so this is Delance's nude color. I have this peachish color. Now what I'll do is, I'll take very less product. I'm going to use it here on my inner part of my lips. Blend it with a finger. So this is the gloss from Swiss Beauty. I got a pack of gloss set from Swiss Beauty from Nykaa. Okay, so my favorite nowadays is Ixu. So this color is from Ixu as well. It's very dark shade of black. Okay, so the kajal is done. Let's move ahead with liner. We are just gonna use it only for creating a cat eye. This is my favorite L'Oreal Paris's Voluminous Lash Mascara. Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter. Thank you so much for watching till here. If you liked this vlog, do not forget to subscribe to my channel Ankita Malik Arora, and do let me know down in the comment section below how you liked it. Let's meet in the next one. Bye bye.